Bus to school?
I ride my bike.
What kind of bike do you have? Dang, you got shocks, pegs, lucky.
He rolls out at sunrise, the world's still asleep. Through country roads where the hills run deep. Silent wheels hum like a song in the air. Fast and quiet, he's already there. Then Cheezle rides where the open car.
The Luckeap M5 Max has a 6061 aluminum alloy frame that weighs 102 pounds with the battery. Comes with a 1-year warranty. 20 by 4.0 tires. 52 volt, 20 amp hour, 1040 watt hour. Single battery with an option for a dual battery. Very nice welds there. 52 volt, 1500 watt hub. Seat height is about 32 and a half. Full twist throttle. K-Tet hydraulic brakes, front and rear. So on the left controls, you have the headlight button. Holding this button turns on and off your running light. Turn signals, which it does not have, and a horn. 7-speed Shimano. Has adjustable rear shocks. Front has oil dampened inverted front forks. It does have a running light and brake light. Comes with a handy basket. Front and rear fenders. Dual shocks on the rear. Saddle style seat. Bright headlight. Let's see how she goes, boys. Do our performance test. Take a longer trip. See how the battery holds up. It is RFID. That's the MasterCard. Secondary card. NFC. She's on. Go up to PAS 5 and let's go. Oh, that's some bad sugar sand. Well, does pretty good. Those Enduro semi-knobby tires do real good in the sand, surprisingly. Rear hub is a little noisy. Sometimes as they wear in, they do get a little quieter. So that's good. Throttle overrides the pedal assist because this has cadence style pedal assist. So if I'm not doing the throttle and I'm in 5th gear and I pedal, this thing's going to take off. All right, do our performance test. See what it's got. Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30, 33, slight uphill. Almost, there was 34. Sensitive throttle. Let's see, PAS 1. So throttling, your pedal assist levels don't affect it. So PAS 1 is about 10 miles an hour. 2 looks like 18, 19. 3 is about 24. 4 is 27. And of course 5 will go to 36. As usual, I'll be doing about 95 to 99% throttle only, just to see how the battery works out. If you do pedal assist, you can get a lot more mileage out of it. I'm 5'10", 235 pounds. The suspension's not bad. Seat's not bad. Pretty comfortable. Not paying attention, is she? We would check this place out. It's not open yet, but it's a new gun store shooting range. Wow, looking good. Wow, this place is massive. It's got storm shutters and everything. Nice. Have to swing back in here when it's done. Oh, look at that. There's a sidewalk here. Let's take it. Nice. Shortcut. Throttle is a little touchy. I do like the full grip throttle though. Oh, they're clearing for the extension. The Suncoast Parkway. Moving right along with that. Thanks. Whew, someone had a cherry air freshener. I could smell it. Still smell it. Holy cow. I don't like going too fast on the sidewalks. Oh. I know, I went last time. But it was on a weekend, so they weren't working. I don't want to go in there while they're working. There's got to be a way to get on that bike trail. Oh yeah, that's blocked. I guess we'll go the other way. Sugar sand ain't no joke. They wouldn't even let me on a bike trail? What the heck? Nope. That's unfortunate. Jeez, I think this road's worse than mine. Almost 10 miles and still 100% battery. How is that possible? This is 44. There is no sidewalk. Oh, they're all ready for Halloween already. Giving it a little throttle up that hill, goes down to 87. And then as soon as I let off, it goes right back to 100. And I lost 1 bar. I'll probably come back, but 12 miles. Yeah, we do like 29, 30. Pulls it down to like 68-70% because it's pulling the amperage, you know. See, the faster you go, the faster it'll burn up the battery, of course. Take the side road. Anything to stay off the main roads. Let's see how accurate. It's within a mile an hour. That's pretty good. No sidewalks, boys. It's a little dangerous. Well, guess we're not taking that one. What the heck are they doing? Speed bumps? I'm gonna cross here. Looks like they're whatever they're doing all the way. I'm going for it. Grannies. Moving right along with the houses. down to 3 bars, 17.7 miles. Nice job. Take the old railroad trail back. A little bit of a shortcut, kinda. Old railroad ties. But the shocks are doing their job. Not too bad of a job. Hey. That wasn't good. Might be a gator or a snake in here. So the rebound doesn't have much dampening. So if you hit something pretty big and fast, it will slap. I feel it's definitely a 1500 watt hub. Into the road trail.
Through country roads where the hills run deep, silent wheels hum like a song in the air. Fast and quiet, he's already there. Vin Cheezel rides where the open calls, city streets, dirt trails, he conquers them all. Scenic places under wide blue skies.
Battery's at like 50% when I'm under a load. As soon as I let off, it goes back up to 65. I think I'd rather have a gauge like that so you know. Top speed is like 31 now. Whoa, still got up to 34.
Create your own adventures. Let your spirit rise. The asphalt hums under city lights. He weaves through the shadows, chasing the night. But the dirt trail whispers come back to the wild. Freedom's a grin on a wanderer's child. With every spin, the world grows wide. An Ebike dream, a joyride guide. Vin Cheezel rides where the open calls, city streets, dirt trails, he conquers them all. Scenic places under wide blue skies. Create your own adventures. Let your spirit rise.
So 59% battery, 24 miles. I'll max 34.2 miles per hour. Average 13.8, 50 volts left. It is RFID. That's the MasterCard, secondary card. NFC. She's on. Let's see if I shut it off. Turn it back on again. Oh, it's looking for the NFC. You need the NFC every time you fire it up. Don't lose it. The master so you can program more keys, but don't lose it. Nice display. You see you have speed on the left and your power on the right for how much current you're drawing. Your odometer, which you can go through your modes. Pedal assist levels. Your battery's up there with a percent meter even. And ready is there. If you have an error, it'll be red, error. The headlight automatically came on. I wonder if it senses it. Holding this button turns on and off your running light. The middle button is M for modes. So you can cycle through several different modes that they have. Up and down, of course. If you tap up, will raise your pedal assist. There's 5 pedal assists. And let's see what we get for speed. Full twist throttle. 36. So let's get into the advanced settings and see what they are stock. These are what the P numbers do. Hold the up and down. PO1 is 2. PO2 is 1 mile. PO3 is 52. PO4 is 10. PO5 is 05. PO6 is 24. PO7 is 1. PO8 is 51. PO9 is 0. Back to P1, which is 2. To get into the settings, you hit the M. Then you use the arrows up and down to change the values. And then hit the M again to save it. Both keys to store it and shut it back to normal. Look what we got here, boys. Got the red one. Let's get this packing off of here. Nice soft seat. It's like a little rubber transferred. That'll come right off. Enduro style tires, 190, better known as 20 by 4.0s. It's packaged pretty good, but I did find one little birthmark, and it is NFC. Let's get a basket, boys. In the box, and a nice hefty 58.8 volt 3 amp hour charger. It means it's a 52 volts. So that's everything in the box. The front fender was tucked over top of the rear tire. Let's charge up the battery while we assemble this. Keys are on the handlebar cables. There's the battery. Oh, it's heavy. Heavier than it looks. Oh, it's stuck to the, that's why. Still pretty hefty. I'll take that sticker right off of there. Battery is a 52 volt, 20 amp hour, which is 1040 watt hours. 60 amp discharge current, 5 amp max charge current. That's the port for going out to the bike, and that's the charge port right there. What do you do first? That's right. Plug it in the AC outlet first, then we can plug it into the battery. When it's fully charged, it'll turn green. That's the battery connector on the bike end. Yes, you can charge it on the bike, and 99% of the time I do, but I take it out because it makes the bike lighter and easier to assemble. So the front tire does come with sealed roller bearings. They put little rubber pieces that will go up against that, so when you put it together, you get these handlebars up on there and tighten them up. It's got a full twist throttle. First e-bike I saw with that. Put it on a milk crate and get that front tire on. Take that keeper out of there. Alright, it wasn't very stable that way, so I flipped the bike upside down, and that's the way they go. There is no hole to lock it in there. Same on both sides. Tighten her down. This head clamp is a little loose. Line up your forks, and then tighten them down. It's always a good idea to go over all the bolts. Like, they should be sticking up the exact same on both sides. So I'm going to push that one down here before I tighten them up. Just go over every bolt. Now they're exactly the same. Loosen your headlight brackets and swing them out where they got to go. Bolt your headlight / horn combo on with the rubber between the tab and your headlight horn. And then it's the blue connector. Line up the arrows, snap them together. Now let's get that bolt off so we can put that fender on there, boys. Like that. And last but not least, the pedals. Lefty, left-hand side, left thread. Righty, right-hand side, right thread. These are marked left on the end for left thread. Of course, that goes on the left side. Right-hand side, right thread. Tighten them down. Light's green, she's fully charged. Put the battery in that track. Slide it down in there. This doesn't seem to lock anything up on top. I'm going to get a little tiny bit of oil on that O-ring because when I first disconnected it, it slid itself over. Or a little bit of grease will work. Make sure that's seated in there all the way. Now the only thing I noticed with this when you lock it is when you lock it, push down on it so it puts that little pin in that area because it's pretty tight.
That's what she said.
I cracked myself up. And that's it. She's all together.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.